Okay, in my garden. The topic is in my garden. Discuss and name the things you can see in the garden. What you can see in the garden? I can see a tree, birds, and I can see a sun in the sky. I can see the fountain. Do you know what is a fountain? I can see butterflies flying in the air and swings. Bench for sitting and grass, green grass. Okay, the children are playing with the football, and I can also see the children. I can see the flowers. Yes. So this is the garden. This is my garden. Okay, thank you so much.